After temperature, the next physical agent that we are going to discuss about is radiations. Ultraviolet radiations is one of the most commonly known radiation used to control microorganisms. Even during COVID, you would have seen that several people, especially those who had salons, their own businesses, hospitals, they used UV radiations to disinfect materials that were used commonly. Like in salons, the comb, the scissors were disinfected using UV light. Even in hospitals, the operation theaters are disinfected using UV light because UV is known to have antimicrobial activity. Similarly, gamma radiation is used to control microbial growth. There are several food products in the market, especially ready-to-consume food products, which are treated with gamma radiations so that its shelf life gets increased. So radiations have been a very common method to control microbial growth. Similarly, filtration, which is a mechanical method, is also very popular, especially when you talk about aquaguards or water filtration methods. They make use of filters which can trap microorganisms. So hence the water that passes through these filters are going to be free of microorganisms and thereby safe to consume. So even filtration is a very commonly used method when it comes to control. As far as chemicals are concerned, there are several gases and liquids that are normally used for control of microorganisms. Right from phenolic agents to quaternary ammonium compounds to halogens to heavy metals, there are so many options that are out there which are used as chemical agents for control of microorganisms. Even some gaseous agents like ethylene oxide is used very commonly for killing microorganisms in medical setups, in hospitals especially. We will focus on the chemical aspect more because we are talking about antimicrobial resistance. So even the medications that you consume out there when you are suffering from some kind of infection also comes under the category of chemical agents only. So we will be discussing more about chemical agents henceforth. Let me tell you that control of microorganisms is a huge arena. There are so many agents that are available out there, right from alcohol to phenols to quaternary ammonium compounds. There are so many agents available out there. But what agent or which agent should be used when depends on its application. You cannot use any agent to control an infection in a human. Maybe you can use an agent to mop the floor to kill the microorganisms that are there on the floor. But you can't use the same agent on human because probably that agent is toxic for humans too. So hence it becomes very crucial to understand that the agent that you're making use of to control microorganisms, is it even safe? Safety is always given preference. If the agent is safe for humans, then probably you can use it as a therapeutic agent. But if it is not safe for humans, in that scenario, you can use it for controlling microorganisms on inanimate surfaces, which means non-living surfaces like a table or a floor or your work desk. So it completely depends on what the application is all about and which agent you're planning to make use of. We will discuss more about medical applications in the next video. In this video, we have tried to understand what antimicrobial agents are, what kind of categories of antimicrobial agents do we have, and we have tried to discuss few of them. From the next video, we will start focusing on therapeutic agents in specific. Till then, stay tuned.